All right, so 15.735. Going in this direction, changing it from degrees, minutes, and seconds is easier, I think, than the other direction because it makes sense to me. What you're going to do is you're going to take the decimal part, 0.735, and multiply it by 60. And what do you get? When you multiply 0.735 by 60. So you get 44.1. And now you take off the 44 and now multiply 0.1 by 60. And you should get 6, right?
6.
So the way you do this is you take the decimal part, multiply it by 60. The whole part is your minutes. So you got 15 degrees, because that's the whole part here, right? Then take the decimal, multiply it by 60. You get 44 minutes and 6 seconds. Recording. You do 39 plus 5 times 1 over 60 plus 34 times 1 over 3600. Because the second sweep, you really multiplied by 60 twice to get there. So you have to divide by 60 twice, and 60 times 60 is 3600. And put that in the calculator carefully, and you should get your decimal for that. So when you're doing this, just check it on your calculator to make sure it works. And make sure you've got the right answer. Whenever you start to graph an angle, we always start at 0 degrees.
But do we put that like all the way to the right?
Huh?
Never mind.
So, we always start here. When we go clockwise, clockwise is in this direction. Right? Yeah. In that direction, your angle is going to be negative. That's a negative angle. And since we went all the way around, how many revolutions did we go? 1. So when you go 1 revolution clockwise, you've gone 360 degrees. Okay? But it's negative, sorry. It's negative 360 degrees because you're going in a clockwise position. Okay? If you're going, let's say, 3.5 revolutions clockwise. I don't know. So you're going clockwise 3, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then a half. We're going to end up right there, right? That would be 360, negative 360 times 3.5. So that's a lot more than 900 and something. What is that? Yep, negative 1260. Okay. Now counterclockwise is a positive angle. So if we go around here once, we have gone 1 revolution at 360 degrees. And if we go 3.5 counterclockwise, that's a positive 1260 degrees. So you just multiply it by 360, and remember counterclockwise is positive and clockwise is negative. And it kind of gets confusing because most people think clockwise would be positive and it would be the opposite, but it isn't.